In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can generate Amazon affiliate links just in a few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do, guys, to generate an Amazon affiliate link, you should have an account like this one with Amazon Affiliate Marketing, okay? So if you don't have an account with Amazon Affiliate Marketing yet, let me show you. Just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, search for this website, click on the first link like this, okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Click on sign up and you will be directly in this page. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. All you have to do is you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Affiliate Marketing, okay? So this will be your Amazon Affiliate Marketing dashboard account. So what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Amazon, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this Amazon website, okay? So all you have to do now is you just need to choose which product you want to promote. So for example, I'm going to choose this product, for example. So just click on the product that you want to promote. For example, I want to promote this one, okay? Click on the product, you will be directly in this product page, and you should see here Amazon Associate Site Stripe, okay? So to get and to generate your affiliate link for this product, click over here on text like this. Just click on text. Okay, and here you go. This is your affiliate link for this product, okay? Your Amazon affiliate link. So you can click on this link and you can copy your affiliate link and you can go and start promoting this affiliate link to earn commission, okay? And that's it. That's how you can generate Amazon affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.